Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you the sound of vowels and syllable for consonant begin with B and C in Bahasa Melayu. It is important for us to learn the sound of vowels and syllable in Bahasa so that we can read the word properly. Let's begin with the sound of vowels. A sounds A. E has two sounds, and e. I sound E. O sound O. U sound U. Now let's move to syllable begin with consonant B. B A ba, B I B, B U bu, B E bear, B O bo, B E b, ba bi bu bear bo b, ba bi bu bear bo b. And for consonants start with C, C A cha, C I G, C U chu, C E z, C O jo, C E j, cha, ji, chu, je, jo, z. A, E, O, U. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo, b. Cha, ji, ju, je, jo, z. So, from the sound of vowels and syllable begin with consonant B and C that we had learned just now, we will be able to read these words. These are the example of two-syllable words in Bahasa Melayu. Let's read together. U, B I B, ubi. Tuberous root. Ubi kentang is potato. Ubi gleded is sweet potato. B A ba, B I B, babi, pig. B A ba, C A cha, baca, read. B U bu, C U chu, buju, corner. C U ju, C I G, juji, wash. Ubi, babi, baca, buju, cuci. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to my channel, and let us learn Bahasa Melayu together. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.